Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is asleep on the couch over that way, which is what she does during a lot of these videos. But today is super exciting because we're gonna make a drink. We're gonna make a cocktail. We're making the Violet Silk Martini that used to be at Tokyo Dining in EPCOT at the Japan Pavilion. It has now since changed names. It's a different place now. I'm gonna try to say this. I wrote it down so I don't screw it up, so let's see how good I do. It's now called Shikisai Izakaya. Shikisai Izakaya. Hopefully I said it right. If not, I apologize. That's the best I could do. And I looked on their menu on the Disney app, and the only thing I could find now is Violet Sake. So I don't know if you can still get the Violet Silk Martini. If you can, maybe leave it in the comments of this video because I couldn't find it anywhere, but I'm sure if you ask them to make it, they could still do it. And there's one other note for this. So it calls for purple pear syrup. And all I could find was the prickly pear syrup, which I think is close enough. It's purple. And it actually works better for us because Baloo, who's sitting right there, we obviously know Baloo loves prickly pear. Don't pick the prickly pear by the paw. If you pick a pear, try to use the claw. Well, that's a tongue twister. I can't believe I said it. Okay. All right, well, let's get to it. This is going to be fantastic. So this is the Violet Silk Martini that I don't know if you can get there anymore, but you know what? You can make it at home, and it's almost just as fun. Not really, but very close. Very close. So prickly pear, what am I saying? Prickly pear. Violet Silk Martini from Tokyo Dining, which is now Shikisai Izakaya. Shikisai Izakaya. I just had to say it again to make sure I could say it. So let's go up to the table and let's make this thing and try it and see if it's delicious. And I'm sure that it will be, although how would I know? I haven't had it. I have no idea. Okay, so let's hope that we like it. All right, here we go. Okay, and this recipe comes from the unofficial Disney Parks Restaurants Cookbook. And I will leave a link to where you can purchase that in the description of the video. In a cocktail shaker filled with ice, you're going to add 1.5 ounces of vodka. I'm using Buckeye vodka for this one because that's all I had. All right, so 1.5 ounces. Oh gosh. All right, and then to that, you're gonna add 1.5 ounces of the purple pear syrup, which this is prickly pear syrup, as we discussed. Look at that, wow. This is gonna be really good, I think. And to that, you're gonna add 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Freshly squeezed. All right, and then you're going to shake this. And then strain it into a martini glass. Look at the color on this, wow. And then you're going to float a lime wheel. If it will float. Yes, there we go. And that's it. So not only is this incredible, it's also extremely easy to make. Look at that. Okay, so now it is time to try this. And also to not spill it. And Blue has seemed to have switched sides. I don't know how that happened. All right, well, let's try this. Violet Silk Martini. Oh my gosh. That's refreshing. Wow, the lime juice really adds to it. The prickly pear syrup is delicious. I had no idea. I'm gonna use that in all kinds of drinks now. I didn't even know they made that. I had no clue, but now I do. Very good. Like I said, very easy. You can taste the vodka. I mean, you could add more vodka, you know, if you wanted. I maybe would add just a little more because you can taste the vodka, but it's not strong. If you like if you really enjoy the taste of vodka, you could add some more. Yeah, this is fantastic. So hopefully you can still get this there somewhere. That is delicious. Prickly pear, that's going to be my new favorite syrup to use in every single drink that I make. Well, maybe not every drink. That might be going a little far, you know. But quite a few of them. Fantastic. Wow, delicious. I love it. This gets a 10 out of 10 for me, no joke. And it's so easy. You can make these all the time. This is refreshing on a hot summer day. You're walking around EPCOT sweating. You know, your shirt's soaking wet. You can just go in there and get one. Well, I don't know if you can still get them there. What am I saying? Okay. Well, hopefully you can. I'm sure you can ask and they will make you one because it's so easy. Just if you tell any bartender that, you know, what's in it, they can make it. And if they have the prickly pear syrup, that might be the key to the whole thing. So yes, 10 out of 10. I love this one. Thank you so much. Well, that's our show for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now. Sophie. You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. I can attempt that. Keyword being attempt. Also, you can hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos, usually 1 or 2 per week. It's been 1 as of late, but we'll see if I can get it back to 2. And also, last thing I'm going to say is, if you've ever tried something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.